it's Jessie here. I am back with another video. I've got my weekly grocery haul for you guys, and I went in store today, which means I went to Aldi and Walmart. I hadn't been to Aldi in a while. I got a comment last week asking if I don't go to Aldi anymore. And the truth is, I just love the Walmart pickup because I avoid impulse purchases. There are some impulse purchases in here today. I did go over budget. I went in with cash today, which I never do. I never pay groceries in cash, but I had cash left over from something. I had cash on hand, so went in with $150 cash, thinking that would be a high estimate on what I would spend, and I had to swipe my debit card in addition for $1.89 or something, so just a little bit over that, but I did buy some impulse things. I found some things on sale, stuff we can carry over to next week. So, all in all, it's not too bad, but let's go ahead and get started. I'll share with you guys our meal plan for the week at the end. I haven't done that in a while. So here we go. Everything is mixed up on the table, by the way. Walmart and Aldi stuff is all mixed together, so hopefully you guys don't mind that. So the first thing I picked up was the grapefruit sparkling water. I haven't had this sparkling water in ages. I don't like to buy it anywhere but Aldi because I feel like it's overpriced everywhere else. So, I picked up that. I don't want you to do this until I'm completely done. Thank you. I got some Red Delicious apples. These were on sale at Aldi. I got my favorite oranges. These are so sweet and delicious. Picked up some romaine lettuce. Some bell peppers. This naan bread was half price. You can see that this is open. It wasn't when I bought it though. Robbie actually had this in the car on the way home from the grocery store. He couldn't wait to get into that. We got some paper plates. Got a big bag of potatoes. Don't mind my Aldi bags on the floor. I got a big box of granola bars. My husband asked for these. Some refried beans and some Rotel, like off-brand Rotel. Picked up a couple of Monster energy drinks for Robbie. I don't like him to have these very often. In fact, I don't like him to have them at all, but he really likes them, so obviously he drank one in the car. Some heavy whipping cream and some half and half. The half and half is for coffee. The heavy whipping cream is for an Alfredo sauce that we're going to have this week. Got some angel hair pasta. Some of these Velveeta cheese slices. I really like these, and they're low in points on Weight Watchers. I got some Parmesan cheese there. Picked up some baby Swiss. We're going to have some patty melts this week, so I got those for that. This was not on my meal plan or on my list, but I decided to pick them up because they were on sale. These are left over from the Super Bowl Sunday, no doubt. So I got a big package of brats. Saved $3 there. The roasted red pepper hummus is also open and mangled. Robbie was eating that with his naan bread in the car. So there's that. I got a head of lettuce, some thick sliced bacon. We're going to do some sausage gravy and biscuits this week. We like to use sausage grease in our bacon, or in our, gosh darn it, bacon grease in our sausage gravy. We'll also have some of this bacon as a side with those biscuits and gravy, and then the other half of the bacon we'll use for club sandwiches. I got some turkey breast for the club sandwiches as well. Picked up one avocado. Robbie requested that. Got some bananas there. Going back over here, we've got... My romaine just fell on the floor. Oh boy, this grocery haul is a mess. I have some Caesar croutons. We're going to have a Caesar salad this week. Some sour cream. Picked up some taco-style cheese. Also got some of this Parmesan cheese. I like to have the fresh, or the shredded and the grated varieties on hand. I picked up some chewy granola bars for Austin. Robbie requested the taquitos. That was another impulse purchase. And some cocoa rice. We got a pound of lean ground beef. Some beef burgers. Picked up a roll of pork sausage for our biscuits and gravy. I got the corned beef brisket. My husband was just talking about how much he wanted to have corned beef, so I'm going to do this in my pressure cooker. Picked up these because they were on such a good deal. These, again, were not on the list, but for $3.04, I couldn't pass these up. So for 89 cents a pound, and these are just chicken leg quarters, so these will be great on our wood pellet grill. Got a gallon of milk. Picked up the Montreal steak seasoning. We were just about out of that. A dozen eggs. Hot dog buns for those brats. This is parsley for our Alfredo sauce. I got some sharp cheddar cheese, some French onion dip to go with the chips that I picked up. I got 2 big bags of original potato chips to have as a side dish with our brats and to have with our club sandwiches. I got the hearty rye for the patty melts and the 3 cheese garlic knots to go with that Alfredo because that's going to be so good. So I think that is everything. I don't think I missed anything. $152 total, I think, or $154. Yeah, because Robbie gave me 2 of his dollars to pay for one of his monsters, and I bought the other. So it was a total of like $154. And I had to swipe my card for $1.54, whatever it was. I can show you guys the receipts when I show you my meal plan. So that's it for the haul. I'm going to have Robbie get this stuff put away, and I'm going to go ahead and show you my meal plan and our receipts. Alright, you guys, so we are in my big happy planner now, and I'm going to show you my meal plan, which I put down here. So the plan as of right now, and this may change because I did buy a few extra things you guys saw, is to have patty melts tonight, which is Monday. Usually I shop later in the week, but we went ahead and shopped today since the weather was so beautiful. Got chicken fajitas tomorrow. French toast on Wednesday, and again, that might get pushed off so that we can have either some brats or that corned beef brisket. I don't know yet. That might change, though. Got tacos on Thursday. We're going to have shrimp. Did I even show the shrimp?
Yeah.
I did? I don't know if I did, but
I'm pretty sure you did.
I bought raw shrimp to have with the Alfredo pasta, so we're going to have shrimp Alfredo. We're probably going to go out Saturday, and then Sunday we're going to have club sandwiches. We're also going to do biscuits and gravy on Sunday morning. So that's a look at the meal plan. Let me pull out my receipts. Alright, you guys, so here's a look at my Aldi receipt, and you can see that the total at Aldi was $79.86. However, my non-bread was actually half price, and she originally missed it, so we did a return on that, and she gave me 2 of my dollars back. So that went into my pocket, and we took it to Walmart. This is the Walmart receipt. You can see here my total at Walmart was $75.96, or maybe you could see if it would focus. Focus camera. There it is. $75.96. I had $74 left of my cash, so I used that. And we put $1.96 on my debit card. Hopefully you guys can see that. My camera does not want to focus. Ah, there we go. So, that takes care of that. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye!